Manan, in the main event, we've got the Afghan Lion, Abdul Azim Badakhshi, taking on the Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu black belt, Marcelo Guerra.
MFN has gone international. Ladies and gentlemen, I want you to know, Abdul here is from Afghanistan, Marcelo is from Brazil, and MFN is now not only dominating India, Asia, but we are making our mark all over the globe. This main event is absolutely lit. Absolutely lit.
Ladies and gentlemen, making his way to the cage, the Afghan Lion, Abdul Azim Badakhshi.
Ladies and gentlemen, Abdul Azim Badakhshi, the Afghan Lion. He started his MMA career in India and he's back again to the home ground, to India, where he started his MMA career. It's electric here tonight. It's Matrix Fight Night 7. We are set for another night of action. It's all happening all tonight. This is the main event of the evening.
They have a spiritual side to
His
them.
opponent, making his way to the cage, all the way from Brazil, Marcelo Guerra.
और अब केज की तरफ बढ़ रहे हैं मार्सेलो गुएरेला। मार्सेलो गुएरेला एक बीजेजे ब्लैक बेल्ट है। एक बीजेजे ब्लैक बेल्ट होना बहुत बड़ी बात होती है। इनका रिकॉर्ड है 16-8, जिसमें से 5 TKOs हैं और 10 सबमिशंस हैं।
7, we've got your hero, Marcelo Guerra, in the main event.
Oh, ladies and gentlemen, for the hundreds of fans out here and thousands watching around the world, this is the moment you all been waiting for, the main event of the evening. Ladies and gentlemen, the fighters are ready. The judges are ready. Are you ready? And now, first we introduce the blue corner. He holds a professional record, 16 wins and 8 losses. Weighed in at 65.1 kilograms, representing Brazil. Make some noise for Marcelo Guerra. And his opponent, fighting out of the red corner. He holds a professional record, 11 wins, 3 losses. Weighed in at 65.8 kilograms, representing Afghanistan, the Afghan Lion, Abdul Azim Badakhshi!
Assalamu alaikum and a big hello to all our fight fans in Afghanistan and Brazil. This bout is going to be a promising one, Manan. This is an epic striker versus grappler battle, and we can see that this is how it's starting up. Badakhshi on fire, Marcelo on fire.
Marcelo's looking for a takedown. Badakhshi is doing a good job of blocking that.
Badakhshi has the knockout power here, and Marcelo has the submission mastery. Manan, as I've been saying, this is an epic striker versus grappler battle.
बिल्कुल राहुल, एक ही सेकंड में बदाख्शी ने फटाफट मार्सेलो को रिवर्स किया और केज के अगेंस्ट उन्होंने अभी उनको पकड़ रखा है। बहुत अच्छा डिफेंड कर रहे हैं वो टेक डाउन को।
बिल्कुल, he's got one of the hands as underhooks.
और इनको यही करना है राहुल इस फाइट में। अब्दुल को उनको टेक डाउन रोकना है और स्ट्राइकिंग करनी है।
मनन, आज तक अब्दुल को कोई सबमिट नहीं कर पाया है, and this is going to be a real test because Marcelo here is a Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu black belt. Abdul has fought in Russia, he's fought in Bahrain, but so far nobody has been able to submit Abdul.
Yeah,
That's the kind of beast that we are talking about.
Yeah, and that's what makes this fight so amazing. Marcelo is a submission artist, a submission expert, and you're saying Abdul has never been submitted. So we have
Never
to see who
ever
wins.
been submitted. Yes, you heard it right, Manan. Abdul has never ever been submitted. He's throwing in those knees. Oh, stomping.
बहुत ही
Stomping the
बढ़िया
feet.
फुट स्टॉम्प्स कर रहे हैं और ये देखने में कोई बड़ी चीज लगती नहीं है, बट ये फुट स्टॉम्प बहुत पेनफुल हो सकता है. Wow, that knee went all the way to Marcelo's face, man. राहुल, कमाल की बात ये है कि अभी तक
Whoa!
and
Look at
it's
that
on the
power,
ground
man.
now.
Look at the power.
Power and technique, that's what wins fights.
Hell yeah. Exactly.
बट एक ही सेकंड में अब्दुल वापस खड़े हो गए. राहुल, he does not want this fight to go to the ground and he's doing a good job of making sure it stays standing up.
Manan, both these guys are very experienced and we can see it happen. Very technical. Oh, let's look at that punches. Oh, this is the power I was talking about, Manan. Now Marcelo is on his feet once again, but he definitely ate some power shots by the Afghan line here.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, बहुत ही बढ़िया प्रदर्शन अब्दुल की तरफ से. बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं वो इस फाइट को स्ट्राइकिंग में रखने का. इस राउंड में 1 मिनट 50 सेकंड बचे हैं और अब एल्बोज मार रहे हैं अब्दुल. क्या बात है.
What a right hand, man. What a fantastic right hand.
बहुत ही बढ़िया लो किक और राइट ओवरहैंड. एंड फिर से दोनों फाइटर्स क्लिंच पोजीशन में हैं एंड अब्दुल ने लिया है टेक डाउन इस बार. क्या बात है. अब्दुल को ग्राउंड में जाने से डर नहीं लगता.
Fantastic. Exactly. Yes, less than 60 seconds to the round. We can hear the crowd cheering for Abdul here, who's been throwing in those strikes. Not letting the Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu black belt do his wonders on the ground.
This is exactly what Abdul wants to do for all 3 rounds.
Mana, let me throw in a surprise. Let me throw in a surprise. Look at the confidence. Look at the confidence in Marcelo's face.
He's giving Abdul a fist bump.
Now, besides being a Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu black belt, Marcelo is also a Muay Thai crew. So he's got a great stand-up and he's got a super lit ground game. But here tonight he's fighting against the Afghan Lion.
Yeah, I think we can see some of that Muay Thai in his leg kicks. And finally, Marcelo gets a takedown. Will he be able to capitalize on this? Marcelo, being a Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu black belt, this is where he wants to keep the fight. This is where he wants to slowly advance.
Both the fighters, look at the confidence, look at the professionalism here. We can see fans cheering for the Afghan Lion, fans cheering in for Marcelo. And we are moving to the second round of the main event between the Afghan Lion, Abdulazeem Badakhshi, and Brazilian Marcelo Guerra.
Oh, बहुत बढ़िया किक मारी मार्सेलो ने. और क्या कमाल का टेक डाउन लिया अब्दुल ने. What a fight.
What a fight. Now, is Marcelo going in for a submission? No. He was trying to, I think, Manan.
Yes, he definitely was. But it's not easy to just maneuver Abdul like that, you know.
Exactly. There's a reason he's called the Afghan Lion.
And even though Abdul may not have a black belt, his grappling is still good.
It's slick. Abdul on his feet again, and he's unleashing some heavy pounding. Whoa! Look at that. This is real martial arts, man. This is MMA.
They acknowledge each other. So Marcelo was pointing at Abdul and he was like, yeah, you maybe got one shot there on me.
Big right hand. Whoa. Marcelo here with a southpaw stance. Whoa!
Oh! That punch did not fully land, but it was really powerful.
Really powerful. Whoa! Another kick. Now
Marcelo goes
with
for a takedown, but does not get it.
he closes the guard. Closes the guard. Let's see if he can control the Afghan line with that close guard.
राहुल, एक ऑब्जर्वेशन मेरी ये है कि अब्दुल में बहुत एक्सप्लोसिवनेस है. मार्सेलो में टेक्निक जरूर है, बट उतनी एक्सप्लोसिवनेस और रॉ ब्रूट पावर नहीं है जितनी अब्दुल में है. क्या बोलते हो राहुल?
बिल्कुल. Oh, you saw that, Manan? You saw that?
That was
Powerful.
amazing.
Really powerful.
That was some amazing BJJ right there.
Marcelo changing his stance once again. Going to orthodox.
Oh,
some
hard
clean
shots being landed
Clean
there.
shots by Abdulazim Badakshi here.
A flurry of punches.
Salvo of ammunition. All from the Afghan line. Marcelo on the ground again. Oh, Abdul throwing in those punches. Whoa, elbow, punch. Another punch.
Marcelo is trying to keep the fight on the ground, but in that process, he's eating up a lot of shots and he's ending up at the bottom, which is not really working for him.
Manan, as I said, it's really tough to control of the Afghan line, Abdulazim Badakshi. Oh!
Oh! What an interesting transition!
Wow! This is crazy. Manan,
But
this
that
bout
slam
is
has hurt him. That slam has hurt Marcelo. He's holding on to his stomach. Something has happened to Marcelo for sure.
Oh, he's holding on to his stomach.
That he's done. Marcelo
That's it.
is done.
That's it.
It's over.
It's over. It's
That
over.
slam finished him, Rahul.
I think when he slammed, ladies and gentlemen,
Yeah.
we've got the winner for the main event here. Abdulazim Badakshi, the Afghan Lion with the Afghanistan flag.
What a finish, man. Marcelo had a position. He had a really good position. But Abdul, with his sheer brute force, with his raw power, just picked him up, slammed him on the ground so hard that it ended the fight. What an epic end to this main event, Rahul.
This has been superb.
Could we have had a better end than this?
Fantastic, ladies and gentlemen. This is the action that we promised to you. We have Matrix Fight Night. This was Matrix Fight Night 7. And we are going to be back very soon with Matrix Fight Night 8.
Ladies and gentlemen, there is something I want to tell you. We'll take a quick look at the replay of the action, and then I'm going to share something important, something meaningful that I feel you all should hear from me.
Abdulazim Badakshi.
Declaring the winner by knockout, the Afghan Lion,